How does inertia welding work? Basically, by forcing together pieces to be joined in such a way that rotary motion and pressure are converted into heat, which literally bonds the pieces into one part. Two pieces to be joined are aligned in an inertia welding machine. One piece is held stationary, the other is rotated rapidly on a spindle chuck attached to a flywheel. When the flywheel reaches a predetermined speed, it is disengaged and the freewheeling piece is forced against the stationary piece. Friction between the parts heats the budding surfaces to forging temperature. Just before rotation ceases, the two pieces bond automatically. When the flywheel stops, the weld is complete.
Low-cost linear friction welding is an area TWI has been interested in for some time under the LinFrick project. Linear friction welding is ideal for joining blades to discs in turbine manufacture. They're called blisks. And these are some images of welds made on the new LinFrick machine here at Abington. Well, successful welds were achieved in a variety of section combinations. The linear friction team also examined the process with titanium specimens.